Here's a quickie video just showing you the TM6 screen and how it works. Now it is a smart screen, and any smart screen will have dots to show you how many screens there are. There's 3. There's the middle screen, your home screen, which can be accessed with the home button. If you slide across to the right, you've got Cookie Do, and you can search in Cookie Do. It's a little bit slower. I tend to use my app or computer to search. We could either go home or we could slide. For the purposes of what I'm showing you, I'll slide. Now, if we slide to the left, we've got our modes, and we have 14 built-in modes. These can be accessed without the internet. So if you're out camping, you can access all these modes if you're not on the internet. Now, these 3 little dots here allow you to edit your view. For example, if you never use warm-up, you could hide it. Hide it completely, okay? It's hidden. You can unhide it later on. Or you can actually move the modes to ones that you prefer to use. Say you don't use rice cooker. Whoops, hang on. Let's go back to the 3 dots. Oh, gosh. Sorry. Back to the 3 dots, edit view. Say you don't use rice cooker, okay? Or you use it less frequently than the others. You can move it. Move it along to the end. Okay, and save. Now I'll be doing some more videos on each of these modes to show you how amazing they are.